welcome back to day 2 of our Vegas adventure. I want to talk to you guys today about how we save money when we travel to Las Vegas, whether it be buying food or whether it be finding a place to stay or even for our entertainment purposes. There is a way that we reduce our cost for our travels here in Vegas, and that is called My Vegas app. This app that we use, been using it for a number of years, and what that app is basically it's an app that's on your phone or in your computer too. You can have it on your laptop, and you play basically slot games, right? Different slot games are played, and you get points, and those points accumulate to what they call coins. Okay, and those coins then can be redeemed for various prizes or various features such as food, entertainment, and travel. One of the things that we used it for was the hotel room. Right now we're staying in Aria Hotel, and this Aria Hotel was a complimentary room based upon the points that we accumulated during the app. So a lot of times we'll play on our free time and accumulate the points, and as you'll see, we go ahead and provide those points to the app service, and they provide us a complimentary room for the Aria Hotel. Another way that we use the app is for food. We just got back from eating at the buffet at the Excalibur, and as you can see by the My Vegas app, we got to use that for our Excalibur buffet, and the buffet was $27.99 and buy one get one free. So that means that we got to save $27.99 on that buffet price. So we fed both of us. And here, one of the things, we also got a tour coming up later on this evening, and it's going to be the Mavic helicopter tour. And actually we got 2 of those complimentary tours, and those tours I think cost anywhere from $105 to $150. Depends upon the time, I guess, or the day, or how busy they are. But you can go ahead and schedule a tour about, I believe, a 15-minute ride around the Vegas Strip during the night. And so I'm going to show you that video later on. But that was also complimentary as well. So that's good cost savings. Another entertainment feature with My Vegas app we got was Tournament of Kings, and that is like a period of time during the Sir Lancelot, King Arthur time period, and we got that as well, and that's in Excalibur, and we got that dinner theater show for free as well. And I believe that dinner theater show can run anywhere from $40 to $60. So that's another cost saving measure in terms of not only dinner but also entertainment in one event, and that we got that also completely free. My wife and I, we each got one of those app features. So that's another good thing to remember. If you are married, make sure that both you and your spouse have the app on your cell phones. That way you have 2 accounts. One thing about My Vegas is that you can only use 3 features at a time. I think it's within 30 days. So give you an example, right? If you get free hotel, free show, and another feature, the 3 things, then that's all you can use for that 1 month, right? So since my wife and I both have the app, now we have 6 items that we can buy with the app. So think about that if you are married and have a spouse, make sure you both have the app on your phone. That way you can both get a meal for free or both get a show for free. And that's what we did with the Mavic tour as well as the Tournament of Kings. Also this evening I'm going to go ahead and use a $25 comp, and that basically is free money to play on the slot machines tonight at the Aria. So that's another feature that they offer. They give you free, the app also gives you a free opportunity to play slots for free, right? And that's completely from the points that you get from the slot games, and that apply to that $25 free play. One of the wonderful things about My Vegas app, also they not only offer free rooms and free entertainment and free shows, but they also offer features such as the Royal Caribbean Cruise. Last year, my wife and I, we went on a free cruise, and that was based upon the app. So that's one of those hot ticket items. I think we had the hardest time getting those cruises because of the fact that everybody wants to cruise. But once the cruise came back and they offered that service, you basically have points, which is of course a lot more accumulated points for the cruise app versus that of maybe your hotel room. But at the same time, you are able to get a free cruise based upon this app. So that's a wonderful feature. Not only is it good for Vegas, but it's also good for different parts of the country. Also, this app works well with other hotels or I guess Vegas companies that are associated with the My Vegas app. So make sure to check out that all the rewards that are available in the app. You'll be able to see it if you download the app, and it's completely free. You don't have to pay anything for the app. It's completely free, and you can go ahead and download that app and check it out and see how it works. And it's like I said, it's a very simple feature. You play, accumulate points, and apply those points to your free stays, comps, or whatever you want to use it for. And I'm sorry, I didn't mention earlier, you get 3 limited per a month for your app. At the same time, if it's a buy one get one free offer, you can have unlimited use of those if you have the points that can get those points. To give you one example, I can go ahead and get a free gelato, right? Buy one get one free gelato, and then I also have a free buy one get one free meal at the Excalibur, and then say I got buy one get one free of something else at the Bellagio with the buffet, buy one get one free. And then I have other slot play, whatever. So the buy one get one free ones are unlimited in terms I can buy as many as I want of those through the point system. But at the completely free items, you have a maximum of 3 limited to use per 30 days. So make sure to read the rules on how that slot play works in terms of redemption of your comps. But at the same time, that's another option that you have, where you can have multiple use of the buy one get one free as a part of the My Vegas app. So that is one of the features that we use here when we travel in Las Vegas, is we use the My Vegas app. I think if anything, feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this app. We'll be happy to explain it to you. We've been using this app for the past, I think, 3 to 5 years. I can't remember how long we've been using it, but been using it for a long time. We've been to Vegas a number of times and got a lot of opportunities to have some free food and some entertainment for free, as well as the hotel stays. So it's been a great tool for us. We do consider cost saving as an important feature of us when we travel, as well as when we want to, experience not only Vegas but also different parts of the world. So consider that as a way that, if you're on a budget, this is a great way to save money during that process. It's like I said before, it's completely free. It's just a matter of you spend some time to accumulate some points and I guess have some fun playing some virtual slots. So if you enjoyed this episode, be sure to hit that like button. I really appreciate all your support, and we'll be covering more features of Vegas here. I'll be showing some of the more of the apps. Like I mentioned earlier, we will be using the My Vegas app to get the free Mavic tour of the Strip. So I'll be providing a separate episode completely for that one, so you can kind of see what it looks like from a night view of the Strip, flying overhead on a helicopter. And that should be interesting. I've never done it before, so we're excited for that trip as well. And stay tuned for more episodes of Vegas. We got a lot more things going on, and we'll show you more features of the My Vegas app. Till then, we'll see you next time. Bye.